Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Manoj Dara. So cryptocurrencies swung between gains and losses during the week, mostly mirroring the moves of the global stocks as the global governments attempt to cap surging inflation and fears of global recession amid steep rate hikes implemented by the various central banks weighed on all the riskier assets, including the cryptocurrencies. So if you talk about the US dollar index that remained on the back foot at around 111.74, while bracing for the first weekly loss in the three during Friday's Asian session. So if you talk about the overall cryptocurrency market that moved in a narrow range, with the digital market capitalization swinging between $921 billion and briefly testing $1 trillion before slipping back. If we talk about the IC15 index of cryptocurrencies, was trading up by 1.4% at 28,300 points. So if you talk about the overall investor sentiments, which moved to seek shelter in safety of dollar, which pushed the greenback higher during the week, also weighed on the cryptocurrencies. So if you talk about the stock futures as well, were trading lower on Friday following a sharp sell-off that brought the S&P 500 to a new 2022 low that resumed in full force during regular trading session on Thursday as investors weighed concerns over the future rate hike decisions going forward from the Federal Reserve and the impact on the market year on. The futures tied up to the S&P 500 were down by 0.25%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures lost 0.36% or 106 points. The Nasdaq futures were trading lower by 0.3%. The US dollar index too traded lower by 0.5%. If you talk about the pound that decreased by roughly around 3.5% in its value when compared to the dollar, is now trading at about 1.10 GBP to USD. So Bitcoin was trading at $19,478, which was up by 0.25%. So the uncertainty around the volatility of British pound has caused a massive surge in Bitcoin trading as the value of sterling plummeted following the Chancellor's mini budget analysts have actually pointed out. Talk about Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was trading higher by 0.1% at $1,336. So the other altcoins such as Binance BNB was trading higher by 1.4% to trade at $285. Polygon Matic was next on the list, was trading higher by 3% at $0.77. Solana Sol was up by 2% and was trading at $34. Shiba Inu was next in the list, trading at 0.3% higher. Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.1% to trade at $0.43. So the recently launched Vassal hard fork has actually gained attention and started working rapidly just a week after the upgrade went live. This is actually the talk of the entire crypto market after the Ethereum merge. This was the event. So decentralized application developers are experiencing the amazing features of the Plutus V functioning, which serves the transaction, which actually has saved the transaction cost and the size. So going forward, the Avalanche AVAX was trading higher by 1.7% at $17. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.6% at $0.060. Ripple's XRP token was trading at $0.48, up by 10%. So if we talk about Ripple, has stolen the show following the latest win in its legal battle against the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the native token XRP, which has actually gained on the back of this news. So Polkadot was trading higher by 0.5%. It's next in the list to trade at $6. So if you talk about the other coins and action, so Ruchi Sharma is joining from the newsroom. Ruchi, over to you.
Big eyes to become the next crypto to explode in the coin market. Big Eyes Coin prides itself on its sustainability. Its goal is to shift wealth into the decentralized finance ecosystem while participating in ocean conservation charity. Big Eyes Coin has seen a dazzling pre-sale so far, reaching a huge milestone of $3 million. Big Eyes Coin will host NFT collections on their platform, pushing for an NFT collection in the top 10 projects. Shiba Inu game has official download day. Shiba Eternity, Shiba Inu's collectible card game, will become available for download worldwide starting from October 6. Kusama revealed earlier this month that 5% of all profits from the game would be allocated to future SHIB token burns. Furthermore, the 5% figure could be enough to substantially reduce the supply of the token. Swift Chainlink announced cross-chain interoperability partnership. Sergey Nazarov, co-founder of Chainlink, stated at the SmartCon 2022 conference on September 28 that the cross-chain interoperability protocol for on-chain token transfers has been linked with the interbank messaging system SWIFT for an initial proof of concept. Back to you, Manoj.
Thank you so much, Ruchi. So let's get a technical market check look. So market analyst Michelle, who expects the Bitcoin would see some momentum if it holds support at around $19,000 level, or it can reclaim $19,300 again, which he explained in a tweet on September 29. So according to the trading expert, if Bitcoin holds $19,600, which seems likely after the untypical calm weekend, which BTC had spent around $19,000, the asset went on the offensive on Tuesday when it surged past $20,000 for the first time in almost 2 weeks. However, this price market participants are expecting will increase, which has increased, was short-lived, as the cryptocurrency was rejected at that comment line. In a matter of hours, it found itself slipping below $19,000 and dropped all the way down to $18,500. So during the past 7 days, if you talk about Ethereum, has attempted to break the $1,400 resistance level, but sellers pushed it back as soon as it arrived there. As such, Ethereum moved sideways below the key resistance, ending this period at a similar price level. So we talk about the current price action, which has lacked momentum, and Ethereum is stuck between $1,400 resistance and $1,250 support level. So while the intraday volatility remains high, the asset closed several daily candles with a slim body where the opening and closing prices were very close to each other. So that's all there is in today's The Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.